Tune.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Tune.com, which is a mobile marketing company that provides solutions for tracking and attributing marketing performance across various channels. It specializes in mobile app tracking, measurement, and analytics to help businesses optimize their marketing campaigns and user acquisition efforts. With Tune.com, businesses could gain valuable insights into user behavior, campaign effectiveness, and ROI to make data-driven decisions and improve overall marketing performance. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. Here we have the solutions that this platform offers for the business type for advertisers or networks, or the top verticals: direct to consumer, financial services, and subscription services. Here we have the iTunes section, pricing section, learn, support, about, and the blog. And here if you want to request a demo. But before that, let's check the pricing first. So here we have two options: the pricing for advertisers. As you can see, they have three plans. They have the bootstrap plan, which is nearly $600 per month. And here you have the scale plan, which is $1,500 per month. And the contract plan, where you have a custom price. And here you can see the features that differentiates the three plans between them. So bootstrap is fee-based, not included. This partner payments. So this is the features, and this is the case of the features that we have here. And this is where we have what separates them. So let's go to request a demo. Click request a demo. We wait for it to load. So here we have the leading partner marketing software. As you can see, you can request a demo to learn how to tune partner marketing platform can power your growth. And to request a demo, you have to fill this information: first name, last name, company email, and the company name, your job title, and your country. So you need to select your country, and your business type, if you are an advertiser or a publisher or a network or agency or other, and if you want to receive information in your email. And then you hit submit, and your request will be submitted. So this is the thank you page. A Tune representative will be in touch with you shortly. So if you want to discover more about the platform, you have here the free trial. Try the Tune Partner Marketing Platform free for 30 days. So we can try the free trial from here. So we hit start your free trial. So here, if you want to proceed to a month free trial, you need to answer these questions. This phase is for advertisers. You manage an affiliate program to drive growth for a specific brand, or you use an agency to do so. If yes, you proceed to the next question. Your business provides promotional offers for its products or services as part of its overall marketing strategy. If yes, you proceed to the third question. You work directly with affiliates, influencers, networks, and or other partners to promote products. If you answered yes, you're an advertiser, then you can see the advertiser plans. And here is for the networks. Do any of the following apply to you? You provide recruitment, media, or proprietary tracking for multiple advertisers and affiliates. If yes, you proceed to the second question. Your business acts as an intermediary between publishers and brands. If yes, you proceed to the third question. You work within a curated partner group to distribute offers and drive traffic for various businesses. If yes, you proceed to see the network plans. So let's proceed to see the plans of the advertiser plans. So I hope they still have the 30 days free trial. So let's scroll down. I think they don't have it anymore. So it was just a marketing trick or a lie. So they don't have the 30 days free trial anymore in the advertisers plans. Let's see the publisher plans or the network plans. See network plans and let's check them. So here they have just two plans, and also they don't have the 30-day free trial. So let's scroll down to the bottom of the website, and here we can go to the support section and we can go to the training, click for training, and it will take us to the Tune Academy, where you can find a lot of courses that will help you in your affiliate or your marketing journey. So here you have a lot of free training courses like this one, Tracking Basics, or the Performance Marketing Basics, Onboarding Guide. Here we have the Partners and Advertisers lesson or course where they have 15 lessons. The offers, tune reporting, partner tools, offers for partners, the partner interface, and here if you want to browse through more courses, so they have a variety of courses if you want to learn anything about the industry. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.